The Doogee S200 Plus is the best among the Doogee S200 models, and it's going to be much more expensive than the other models. It has a titanium finish, which is quite nice. We're talking about a metal that is much more durable, strong, lightweight, and corrosion resistant. So it's actually quite nice for Doogee to use a titanium material for the exterior. The device also comes in 3 colorways, including red, black, and gold. But anyways, as regarding its specs, it's actually a pretty nice device. Its specs are great, and I think I'll be comparing the S200 Plus with the Ulefone Ammo 30 Pro and the Ammo 33 Pro. Anyways, the top features of the Doogee S200 Plus are quite nice, and yeah, here they are. So there we go, guys, the Doogee S200 Plus. It's gonna be released very soon, perhaps in April, but I don't know its official release date yet, and it may cost up to $400, or Doogee may come up with some sort of discount sale that would enable you guys to buy the S200 Plus for a very affordable price, but I don't know yet, although I'll update you guys. Anyways, what do you guys think about the S200 Plus? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.